Welcome, today we're going to show you how to update all drivers on Windows 11. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on the start menu and then search for the settings. You need to open it, and now from here you need to go to the last option, which is Windows Update. After that, I'll see from here you will see all the updates that you have. Also, you will see check for updates button. I'll see from here you need to just click on it and it will check all the updates that you have. After that, you need to just install it and then you need to restart your PC. Also, if you go to advanced options as seen from here, you will see optional updates section, and from here you may find Windows updates, driver updates, and any other optional updates. You can just click on it like this and hit on download and install. And the last thing that you need to do is to just open the start menu from here and search for device manager, and now from here you will see all the drivers that you have. So you need to just click on any driver like this, like the Bluetooth drivers, right click on it and click on update driver. Hit on search automatically for drivers, and now it will see if you have the latest drivers installed. After that you can just hit on close and do the same for all the other drivers. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.